Welcome back, lovely artists. We are here working on color theory today, one of these 7 elements of art. You're going to be doing some color math, and we have started here with these circles plus another circle equals a circle. Well, we're not doing shape here. We're not doing math here. We're doing color theory. R-E-D, red. We're going to grab a red marker, and we're going to color in our circle the color that it says. But what does red plus yellow actually make? Well, if you look up at the color wheel, either above your head if you're in art classroom, or the one on the page after this, we can see that when we mix red with yellow, we get a secondary orange. And we're going to do this next, but I want to show you that our primary colors here, red, yellow, and blue, make secondary colors. So everywhere where I see red, I'll go ahead and color it in. Red plus yellow. So we're going to grab our yellow marker and we'll color this one in. Do I see yellow anywhere else on my page? Ooh, there it is. We're working with the primary colors right now, red, yellow, and blue. Hopefully this is information that you already know and you're not confused why I'm talking about red, yellow, and blue. There are primary colors. You can't make them. They're the only 3 colors we can't make, and we're going to find out what they make today. So we have red plus yellow, red plus blue, and here's another blue, the last one. All right. Red, when mixed with yellow, makes a secondary color. Primary plus primary equals secondary, and it is lucky orange here. Red plus yellow equals orange. Red plus blue equals Mrs. Carmichael's favorite color, purpley. Purple, purple, otherwise known as violet, goes right here. Red plus blue equals violet. And you know what? Let's write the word too, violet. Also known as purple. And we'll write orange up here. There we go. And last but not least, down here at the bottom, blue plus yellow. I bet you can guess because it's a color that we're missing from this page. Green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Color mixing. So if you ever use paint, you can do the same thing with this and mix your own colors. This is just a little guide to show you. On the next page, we have the color wheel. The color wheel is simply the rainbow turned in a circle to make this beautiful color wheel. And we are going to use colored pencils or crayons for this. Just this part up here. I don't suggest that you use markers for this. Markers don't blend well. So grab some crayons, grab some colored pencils, and we will work on this. I'm going to pull my whole box of colored pencils out here, scoop my markers out of the way. I don't want to put them away. I might need them in a minute. Primary yellow. Well, we just learned that primary yellow is a primary color. You can't make it, so we'll color in this area yellow. And then it says yellow plus blue. Well, we're getting really good at color mixing, so I'm going to do a little bit of yellow. And I'm going to color right over the top of it with blue. And guess what I get? I get green. Primary blue right here. We're working around in a circle on the color wheel. Pretty soon it's going to look like a rainbow. Blue plus red. So I'll layer my blue first because that's the color it told me to do first. Find my red. Oh, and look what it made. It made purple. There we go. Primary red. And yellow plus red. Since it said yellow first, that's what I'm going to add first. So you got a chance to use markers and color them in. Easy peasy. Now you're color blending. You're mixing two primary colors to make your secondary colors. Primary yellow, primary blue, primary red. It makes all the colors in between those secondary colors, orange, green, and purple. And then it tells you right here, red plus blue plus yellow equals kind of a gray color. Let's find out. Let's see if that's true. I feel like they might be trying to trick us. Are we going to get like a gray if we do this? I don't think they're going to trick us. I think they're trying to show us that color mixing can make some really interesting colors that we may not even think of. Already starting to look kind of grayish. Not too bad, a dark gray. I like that. All right, color complements. What happens when they mix? Color complements are across each other on the color wheel. So we have yellow over here, all the way across down here is purple. So if I mixed yellow and purple together, I wonder what's going to happen. I can tell you right now, it is a neutral color. Oh, look at that. It turned brown. So when we mix complementary colors together, we can make brown. So anytime I have an opposite, these are opposite, these are opposite, and these are opposites, I can mix these together to make brown. That's what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to color the opposites and mix them together to make that neutral brown. It's 3 different kinds of browns. You're going to see those neutral colors come up there. For some more practice, we have complementary color bird. The nice thing about this is that I drew the bird for you. So all you have to do is color. So you're going to, you can trace over if you want. You can add the feathers and the details and the eye and stuff here to make it look more realistic with a black marker. And then down here it says pick one of your colors to fill in an animal, even if it doesn't make sense to the animal. You can use tints, tones, and shades. That means whites, grays, and blacks to color and create different values. Use the value complementing color to fill in the background. All of this is saying is if you color your bird orange, and we look back here at the opposite of orange, we see that the background should be blue. If we decide to color our bird yellow, he's going to be a yellow bird. We look up here, yellow, opposite is purple, so the background would be purple. Your bird's going to be one color. You're going to find the opposite complementary color, and you're going to color the background. Real fun, simple little project using complementary colors. I hope you enjoyed this element of art color, getting used to some of these different colors, and I will see you back soon with our art project.